Today, we're going to be talking about how to create your first cash cow video on YouTube. And the best part is, you don't even need a camera. You can create a successful video using only stock footage and a voiceover. Step 1. Find a profitable niche. The first step in creating a cash cow video is finding a profitable niche. This means looking for a topic that has a large audience and is in high demand. You can use tools like Google Trends or YouTube's own search bar to see what people are searching for. Step 2. Research your topic. Once you've found your niche, it's time to do some research. Look for trending topics and popular keywords related to your niche. This will give you an idea of what kind of content is already out there and what you can do to make your video stand out. Step 3. Plan your content. Now that you've done your research, it's time to start planning your content. For a cash cow video, you want to create something that's informative and engaging. One way to do this is by creating a documentary-style video that takes viewers on a journey through your topic. Step 4. Write a script. Once you've planned out your content, it's time to write a script. A well-written script will keep your video on track and ensure that you cover all of the important points. Make sure to keep your script concise and engaging. Step 5. Shoot or use stock footage and a voiceover to edit your video. Now it's time to create your video. If you are going to record yourself, make sure to use high-quality equipment and lighting to give your video a professional look. When editing, focus on keeping your video concise and engaging. Cut out any unnecessary parts and add in some B-roll footage to keep things interesting. You can also use stock footage websites like Shutterstock or iStock to find footage related to your topic. Once you have your footage, you can use a program like Adobe Premiere Pro to edit it together and add a voiceover. If you're not confident in your voiceover skills, you can hire a freelancer on websites like Fiverr or Upwork to record a voiceover for your video. Make sure to provide them with your script or outline, and choose someone whose voice matches the tone to your video. Again, there are many websites where you can find free or low-cost music, such as Epidemic Sound, Artlist, and Audio Jungle. Step 6. Optimize your video for SEO. This means using keywords in your video title, description, and tags to help your video rank higher in search results. Make sure you create an eye-catching thumbnail that will make people want to click on your video. And don't forget to share your video on social media and with your email list to drive traffic to your channel. And there you have it. Those are the steps you need to follow to create your first cash cow video on YouTube using only stock footage and a voiceover. Remember, it's all about finding a profitable niche, doing your research, planning your content, writing a script, and using stock footage and a voiceover to create your video. And don't forget, you can also hire freelancers to help with some of these steps. Thanks for watching.